What's going on, house party? Hey, man, and today. Ooh, yes, sir. We got this sauce, man. You feel me? Shout out to Charlie Mack, you know what I mean? And
Mo.
Get a little with Mo, you know what I mean?
You gotta let them know what sauce is that.
I'm gonna let them know, but I just want to tell them something, what they did, man. You feel me? Y'all just challenged the king, you feel me?
And queen.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So we gonna run through this like it's nothing, man. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna put a clip of the video of us getting shout out right here.
Yeah, so Savell, V Marie, and Hustle. Huh?
Howdy.
What? Like in here?
Yeah, bird.
Fuck you, nigga. I challenge y'all, and Mac challenge Billionaire Queen,
House and House of Four.
All right, now so the rules is we gotta. Let me see. First, let me show y'all we went to Fire Wings and got we got a 20-piece lemon pepper, 10 mine, 10 hers. What we gotta do is pour this sauce on them. That's why we got these. I'm gonna put my 10 in here and shake them up. You know what I mean? And I don't think it was no time limit. We just can't. I'm sweating before it even started.
Some people doing the challenge on YouTube with a time limit, but Charlie Mack and Get Lit with Mo, they didn't have a time limit. They just shouted us out to do it.
Yeah, because I think Steph and Tasha started it, right? Did they? I mean, well, we see.
That's what everybody's saying.
Yeah, but we got called out from, yeah, I mean, Charlie Mack and Get Lit with Mo. So, yeah, I mean, we finna do this, man.
We're gonna try to
shout out
this.
To everybody that said they finna be watching this,
but
man.
I'm finna take the W. I am finna take
Bro,
the
you
W.
finna eat one and it's a wrap.
We about to see, y'all.
So, and what this is 2 times spicy hot sauces, Carolina Reaper, all that, the hottest sauce. Y'all know about the noodles, but they made their own little pack, so.
Bottle.
Y'all, I'm sweating.
He's scared, y'all.
I ain't scared of nothing.
Scared.
You know what I mean? I'm scared. How come I got my thing open first? Let me get my 10, man. 1, 2, 3.
And yes, we got all
4,
flat.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And they hot.
10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, so I'm gonna shake them. I'm finna pour it in here. Damn, I'm stuttering. I'm scared.
It just got real.
All right, I'm gonna open the sauce on camera. You know what I mean? So we waited to open it on camera so y'all can see it's official. You know what I mean?
It says shake well. Shake it up, shake it.
Oh, let me shake it. Oh, they got the pour top on here too.
Wait, go slow, cause remember it popped that other girl on
Tasha.
YouTube and her eye. Is it on your finger? Don't test your.
No, it ain't on my finger. Yeah, put it up there.
It just smells like chicken. What is it, bouillon cube?
All right, so look, Charlie Mack and them, he did the most. I'm gonna just.
No, Get Lit with Mo, she poured it on his chicken. Remember?
I know, but my wings ain't gonna look like that. I'm gonna pour it on here. It's gonna be nice coated, but
mine.
we gonna save some of this because I got a few people to call out too.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, and first, look, this the people I'm gonna call out. You feel me? But I have to complete the challenge before you feel me. Y'all have to do it. But the people who I'm calling out is.
Well, I think you should tell them at the end of the video.
No, so they could know what's coming. So they could know when I finish these, you know what I mean? So, the people who we chose to challenge is, first one, we're going to challenge Boss Man Vlogs and Boss Lady, you feel me? And who else?
And we got Gutta and Andrea.
And then we got Ice Mees and Amanda. You feel me? So, yeah. Y'all thought y'all was safe, huh? You know what I mean? And even if y'all don't do it on y'all channel, y'all can come to the house or I come to your house, record it, and it's going on the channel, man. You feel me?
It's going down.
Up. Excuse me, sweating because I ain't scared.
He's scared.
All right, so look,
you know
let me pour it in here.
Scared,
let me pour it.
nervous.
Oh, matter of fact, and I wanna challenge. And I wanna
he
challenge.
Wasting time.
And I wanna challenge Rob and Anna Lee because Rob said he think he could do this. So we gonna see, man. You know what I mean?
Okay.
All right, so let me see.
Ooh, it come out fast too. Ooh, that's enough, babe.
Wait, I gotta make sure they all coated though.
You gotta shake them anyway.
All right, huh?
Ooh.
I just started sweating more. You know, I don't care about y'all seeing me sweat. You put them on all yours? I thought you was only putting them on some. Oh, it's a wrap for you. Wait, let me make some. I'm gonna let y'all see so y'all can see they coated. Woo! Look at that. Yes, they're coated. Everything is, you feel me? You know what I mean? You see that? Now I'm gonna put them back in this box right here. You heard?
We're gonna leave them in that?
Yeah, so we're gonna grab them out of here as we go.
We should have just had our own box.
Nah.
Cause yours got too much sauce.
Nah. We're gonna put the bones in here so that way when we eat them, we're gonna let them see it too.
Oh yeah, you could do. Yeah, you could put yours over there. I put mine right here. Like that.
I'm touching my face and stuff.
And I've been breaking out in my face. I got pimple little here, got one little there. I think it's from that scented lotion I've been putting on my face. My face probably too sensitive. Oh my Lord.
You gotta show yours to the camera.
Sorry, I already put them on here.
Oh, well they coated. Y'all gonna see them. Let me see.
Oh my God.
We're gonna put.
No,
I know. No, I'm just showing them that they both coated. Hers is coated. Y'all seen these wings at first? They was light skinned. You know what I mean? Now they red skin.
Now they dark skin.
You feel me? And these the bowls. You know what I mean? That we did it in. Alright.
We gotta say
Oh yeah, we gonna do Mo
shout out
prayer.
to
Shout out to Mo.
Get
Get lit with Mo. Y'all make sure y'all go follow them. You know what I mean? God is good. God is great. And we thank him for this food. We gon' thank him in the morning, noon and night. Cause God is dynamite. Amen. Amen. Game. Yeah, Mo, you yeah.
Mo and Mac, get this out of here. Dang.
Are you ready?
God is good. We said God is good.
All right, go first. Eat the first one.
We gotta go together. Let's go. Pick up one.
All right, I don't know. It ain't no. All they said is we gotta clean the bone. Ain't no specific way. Ain't no specific way. We just gotta clean the bone. So if I eat mine fast, just know they still went down. You feel me?
And then from here we'll just grab them and go as we please. We don't have to wait for each other. Ready? You shaking? You alright?
I don't want them to say I'm cheating, man.
No, babe, we good.
Nah, man,
that's
I
all
ain't
you
going
gotta
out
do
like
is
that, man. I ain't going out like that. You heard? All right, that's it.
Can't wait till y'all see him after this camera go off. Face might be down.
No matter what,
toilet.
no matter what, I'm gonna complete it because I want the people we called out to do it. You know what I mean? Are you ready?
He over here shaking, y'all. He making me nervous.
All right, you ready?
You gotta eat it too.
I am gonna eat it.
All right.
1,
2, 3.
It's cool right now. Whoa. It didn't even touch my lip. Wait. That's one. Oh. That's your second one?
Ooh. That's two.
God, bro.
I see my stomach burning.
Just no.
It's like the first thing I ate all day.
That's two.
It's good though. Woo.
Can you give me that towel?
Yes. And this lemon pepper on here don't make it no better.
Oh, no.
We should have got some original fried chicken.
You want some milk, Mom?
Wish I would need some milk. Sorry, I can't eat it slow like that.
That's 3.
I'm doing cooking with the Neely style. I'm taking all the meat off the bone.
They did it?
No?
Oh, cooking with the needles. I'm thinking about Nene and Trey.
Ooh. Oh, that's hot. You got 6 left? Come on, wait for me.
Wait for you?
God. It's hot.
That's 4.
Mmm. Oh yeah.
My lips is on fire.
Don't let it touch your lips.
Really? It's impossible.
I ain't going out like no sucker, bruh. She trying to tease me with the Gatorade. Whew. It's hot, but I think I can stand it though. I'm sweating. Woo! I didn't know they shouldn't be selling this. Woo! You got 3 left? Hold on, babe. Wait, hold on. You sure you ate them all?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nose starting around.
Go back and watch the video.
All right, hold on real quick.
Stop cheating.
Ooh.
More eating, less talking. It'll help you.
Ooh. Oh. Well, so you ain't gonna wait for me, huh?
Hey.
Oh. My lips red because they feel burning.
No. It's helping me.
They feel burning?
The top one, the top. Don't whisper, boo, because they still gonna hear you.
Number 10.
Oh, you just out here showing out.
More eating, less talking.
We should have been able to eat 5-5 since we won. I did better than I expected, though.
10.
You done? Want one more?
Nope. Sorry, can you give me a milk?
You gotta wait 5 minutes? Oh, you ain't doing a 5-minute thing?
No, that's out.
Well, she ain't tapping. She tapping out for the 5-minute thing. I'm gonna wait my 5 minutes. This shit hot.
I feel like I got a toothache. Yeah, why does this should have been open? The devil is a lie.
Back up a little bit. Oh, this shit hot.
My lips.
I can't believe that we doing it though.
I can't believe you doing it. I can't believe I did it. This is my first and only hot challenge.
Yeah, that's it for me. It touched my lip.
Ooh!
Ooh. Last one. Yeah. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe.
Give me some ice. My lips.
Check this out.
No, the other one.
Shout out Boss Man, man. Make sure y'all go follow the homie. Woo! Last one. You sweating?
I'm burning.
All right. Back up. With my phone, start this timer. As soon as while the last piece time start. Airplane mode, so nobody can call and stop it. Put a timer. How you do the timer on these? Hey Siri, set the timer for 5 minutes. Siri not available. Hey Siri, start the timer for 5 minutes.
The timer is set for 5 minutes.
Okay. Hey Siri, start the timer for 5 minutes.
The timer is already
Okay.
4 minutes and 46 seconds. Would you like to replace it? Okay.
Oh, it already started going. All right. Whew.
It's cooling down.
It's cooling down though. It's just hot while you're doing it. Oh, that ain't bad though. I don't even need that. I thought I was gonna need some stuff.
My lips is on
Back up a little bit,
fire. Mmm.
Y'all, this one when I first said start timer. Is that bubblegum ice cream?
And yes, this is my ice cream. Nobody else in the house eat bubblegum.
Oh, I do. I'm finna eat some. Yeah.
He only eat it when he high. The kids don't like it. So yes, this is my current ice cream, and yes, I can double dip.
A timer is already running at 4 minutes and 46 seconds. It's still burning. It's hot though.
My lips is on fire.
So even though she tapped out of the 5 minute thing, the people we called out still got to do it because I completed it. Oh boy. And if y'all don't want to order, the people we called out, if y'all don't order, well, the people that we could get to, if y'all ain't, you know what I mean, if y'all ain't got it, we sliding through with the, you know what I mean, but it's on Amazon. You know what I mean?
He talking about he don't need none. Watching that 5 minutes is up.
It's cooling down though. I thought this whack. This whack. So hot though. Come on. Look, did y'all see that?
My lips is burning.
I know, it didn't even touch my lips, did it?
Yes, they have no choice but to.
Woo, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. By the time running down, and his daughter and everybody who was in that helicopter.
Yes, that's so devastating.
Whew.
Prayers to his family. He had
Almost.
a beautiful family too. All girls. I couldn't imagine the pain she in.
Come on. This is my first and only challenge. Because back in the days, I mean, later videos I was paying people to eat stuff like this. So, but that one chip is out. I'm not doing that.
I think this ice cream making it worse because it's so sweet. And then this.
It's hot. I ain't gonna lie. Whew, I gotta complete this because I want to see them. Everybody talking about what they gonna do, you heard? Straight like that, you heard? I don't need none of that right there, you heard? Word to mother. It's hot though. Whoop. Yeah, man. Told you, man. It's nothing right here, man.
And to all my girlfriends, Andrea, Amanda, and Annalie, and
Boss lady.
Boss lady, which is Christina. Y'all got every right to tap out. Cause I tapped out. I didn't
If
wait
y'all
5
tap
minutes.
out
But the guys,
yeah.
y'all
Yeah.
significant other, he must complete the challenge. Just like my babe did.
18 seconds, man. Yeah. It's nothing right here, man. I eat hot
Ladies
shit
first.
every day, B.
We go through a lot anyway, so
Word up.
if the ladies tap out, the men have to complete the challenge.
I eat hot shit every day, B. Is it done? Oh, there it is.
What you want? Chocolate milk?
Man.
Get chocolate milk, sir.
Yeah, give me something, man. It's hot. I ain't go cap. I ain't go cap.
Ooh. My lips
Word up.
burning.
Yo, shout out to all my niggas out there in Harlem, you heard? Word up. And all my niggas out there in Maryland. Baltimore. You heard? Well, it ain't even that hot. Man, we've been watching all these videos thinking this. Man, come on, bro. I need another 10 piece.
No, you know why?
I need another 10 piece.
They used a whole bottle of sauce.
No,
We didn't do that.
I know.
We didn't drench our chicken.
Yeah, I know. But they seen they were covered. They was light skinned at first. Yeah,
Nobody
I mean,
never said you couldn't use
I
the
need
whole
me
bottle.
another 10 piece, man. This is nothing. I'm still sweating, but it's nothing.
Go ahead. I challenge you to do another 10.
Huh? No. Yeah, man. So there y'all have it, man. As you see, we did this like nothing. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. That's boss man shit. Look, man. Thank y'all, man. There you have it. You know what I mean? Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like,
Thank you,
comment,
guys.
subscribe, share this video, and yeah, everybody that we tagged, we expecting you. Word up. We gonna see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.